University. A floor for you, Nakamoto-san, and really thank you for joining us today. Okay, go ahead.
Oh. Yeah. Can you listen to me?
Yes.
Okay, thank you for the introductions. I am Toru Takashina of Hiroshima University. It's my great pleasure to be here with you today. Thank you very much, Hani-san. Okay. Okay. First, let me introduce. Can you watch my presentation file?
Yes, yes, yes.
Okay, thank you. Okay, first of all, let me introduce myself. I am Toru Takashina, and I am coming from Hiroshima University. I am also a professor and head of International Affairs Committee of Graduate School of Advanced Science and Engineering. That's one of the reasons why I'm here today. This is today's contents. First, I'm going to make a presentation about the whole picture of Hiroshima University. Then I'm focusing on our graduate schools. And finally, I'd like to touch the information about admission. Okay, first I touch the history of Hiroshima University a little bit. And the origin of Hiroshima University goes back to 1874. Nearly 150 years ago, when it was started the Hakushima Normal School. Hakushima is just the place name of the downtown area of Hiroshima City. After the several organization change were made, present or current Hiroshima University was founded by combining the 7 education institutions, including the School of Engineering, in 1949. It's about 70 years ago. Okay, let's move on to the location of Hiroshima University. This is map of Japan, as you may know. The Hiroshima is located in west part of Japan. As you can see, this is a bullet train or Shinkansen. It's very convenient and very fast train. And here is Hiroshima. And also we have a couple of international airports, such as Tokyo Haneda or Kansai Osaka Airport. So that when you come to the Hiroshima University, you can use these international airports. So the Hiroshima is a very convenient place from overseas countries. Okay, first I touch the we are very proud of the 2 great achievements on Hiroshima University recently. One is that we have been chosen one of the 22 institutes selected in the program for enhancement of research university. Hiroshima University is here. We belong to the second groups, along with very prestigious university such as Osaka University, Kyushu University, Tokyo Institute of Technologies. And the other one is that we have been selected as one of the 13 top global university in 2014. This table shows the list of the top global universities, only 13 universities in Japan. As you can see, along with also very prestigious university, University of Tokyo, Kyoto University, Osaka University, and Hiroshima University. Okay, let's move on to our graduate schools. In Hiroshima University, we have 4 graduate schools now: humanities and social sciences, advanced science and engineering, integrated sciences for life, and biomedical health sciences. These 3 schools, advanced science and engineering, integrated science for life, and biomedical and health science, are strongly related to STEM education. STEM, as you know, the science, technology, engineering, and mathematics field. So today I'm going to focus on these 3 schools. Okay, first, I would like to touch the advanced science and engineering. This graduate school is one of the Japan's largest education research organization, covering the wide range of science and engineering fields. And also this school is taking on the challenging of solving resource, energy, environmental problems by concentrating the potential power of science and technology. This is a great one example of our outstanding research activities in the Graduate School of Advanced Science and Engineering. The title is Process Sensitive Restoring Mobility to Disabled Hands, which is conducted by very famous Professor Tsuji Toshiro Sensei. The production of computer-operated prosthetic is underway. The computer instantly captures the electric signals from the brain and translates them into hand movement. The use of 3D printers reduces the production and time and cost. The next is a Graduate School of Integrated Science for Life. This graduate school is established by, also integrated by biology and life sciences. This school is exploring the universality and diversity of organisms and translating research findings into applied research, including drug discovery. Also, I would like to talk about one great example of our outstanding research activities in Graduate School of Integrated Science for Life. The title is Genome Editing to Find a Solution to Humanity's Problems. Also, which is conducted by also very famous Professor Takashi Yamamoto. As you may know, the genome editing is strongly related to the manufacturing of disease model cell and animals, or drug discovery and gene therapies, and improvement of agricultural, fishery, livestock resources, something like this. This is has a very good potential for the future technologies. Third one is a Graduate School of Biomedical and Health Science. Also, this school is deepening basic research and collaboration, integration in 4 disciplines: medicine, dentistry, pharmacy, and health science. Also, this school has a collaboration with Graduate School of Integrated Science for Life, as I mentioned before, to promote personnel capable of playing major part in interdisciplinary field or new field besides medical disciplines. Also, I would like to introduce our great example of the outstanding research activities. The title is Diagnosis of the Psychiatric Disorders Using Brain Functional Image and AI. Also, this research is conducted by very famous Professor Okamoto Yasumasa Sensei. His research is using the fMRI, or functional magnetic resource imaging technologies. Okay, let's move on to the information of admissions. Okay, finally, firstly, main application eligibility. That's an example. For master programs, the student who has completed 60 years formal schooling in 14 countries. And for doctoral program, the student who has received the degree certificate equivalent to master's or professional degree in 14 countries. And these are list of the required document. Of course, admission application form. I understand you can take the admission application form from our website on the transcript, certification, graduation, letter of recommendations, copy of residence certificate. If the student applies only to the applicant currently residing, and other document which each schools requires. But many of our graduate schools or programs accept the online application. So please check our website very carefully. This is also example about typical examination schedule. First, special selection for international student for students living in Japan. Sorry, but I think many of them are still living in Egypt, right? And this is application period is coming June, and the examination date is August. And also, we have the general selections for the April 2022 admissions. Application period is this, and the examination date is like this. And then this is a flowchart of the entering AAT. Also, this is the examples. First, please look for the professor who studies areas of your interest. You can reach the appropriate professors using our website. Later, I will show you the examples to find the appropriate professor using the actual our website. And then please inquire to the support office or professor directly about the possibility of studying under their supervision as a research student. If you get a positive response from the professor, you can apply for the admission as a research student and Or if you, unfortunately, if you receive the negative response from the professor, please look for the another professor. Then please apply to the external entrance examination for the graduate schools. Usually, for April admissions, you can apply January to February. And also, we have another chance, another opportunity for the October admission. This is open from August to September. And if you pass the examination, the congratulations. Okay, further information about admissions. Okay. I'm going to actually access to our website. Okay, this is an example. This is a website of the Graduate School of Advanced Science and Engineering, because I'm coming from. Sorry, can you watch our website?
Yeah, we have seen your website. Yes.
Okay, thank you very much. Yes. All right. So the first, please visit the research and stuff here. Okay, these are the list of our programs in Graduate School of Advanced Science and Engineering. If you are interested in the mechanical engineering program, please click here. So now we have a lot of the laboratories in the mechanical engineering program. If you are interested in the machine dynamics, we have the Professor Ryo Kikue Sensei. Okay, we can jump the page of his profile. Also, you can check his academic activities. Of course, as you know, that these are list of his academic papers. Then, if you want to join his laboratories, please send a mail to the support office of our program or professor directly. Okay. Then, after you, if you have the positive reply from our professors, you can go to the admissions. These are admission pages. Then, if you would like to join the doctoral course, please click here. So this is the schedule of application and examination. For example, this is a special selection for international students, for students living outside Japan, of course, including Egypt, for April 2022 admission. Okay, please check the application fee is coming November. We will have time, and the examination date is here. And you get the result from Amazon in December. Okay. Right. Okay, that's all my presentation. Thank you very much. Thank you for kind attention.